So this is part of day 2 in Linden. I'm Skinny.
And that's 3 minutes gone.
This is Bo the dog. He just got back in from obedience school. Yeah, get away from me. Hey, one of the things that's been going on over this weekend is the Abbotsford Airshow. So we've got down to one of the streets in the States here, overlooking a field, so we can get a nice look at the planes doing their thing. Lucky for us, it is time for the Snowbirds. So it turns out it's impossible to film a jet effectively with a cell phone. High speed pass. Which way do you go?
I'll take the right.
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 Who's right?
Stage right.
You're on right.
That's why we're not pilots, friends.
Experience at the air show. It's pretty amazing.
What do you start out on when you practice?
Grass paper.
Simulator. Simulator.
Bikes. Okay, everybody on their bikes.
We're just gonna keep it to 2 dimensions for now. We're just gonna do jet skis. Okay, you come flying at me and go right. You all right?
You're right.
Pretty stellar. I was gonna say Golden Eagles. Snowbirds.
It's the Golden Girls.
The Golden Girls.
Hey, Captain Betty White. Rue McClanahan coming in at number 2. Stell Getty. That's 3 out of 4 Golden Girls. Come on. B. Arthur for number 4.
Oh, nice.
Kaboom!
And that's 3 minutes gone.